Just a quick update on my schedule for next week. I will be in Las Vegas from the 24th all the way up until Friday night, which I believe is the 27th, for the APA show. So that is the Makers Show, the Laser Makers Show. And if you're going to be there, shoot me a message. Maybe we can get together and have a chat or a drink or something to eat. So I'll be there the whole week next week. So don't expect any videos or anything. I'm going to try and do a live stream and talk about some of the things that I've found there and some of the people that I've met. And then when I get back, I'll do a full video on it. So if you're in Vegas, in the Vegas area, or if you're attending the APA show, shoot me a message and maybe we can get together. And some of you like some of the music that I put in some of my videos. So for those people, hang around because I'm going to play a song for you that I wrote. So here we go.
Slowly steady, where the cypress grows, he hums with the saw, lets the laser glow. A quiet man with fire in his hands, he etches stories like the river carves the land, etched in the bio, line by line. A heart full of sawdust and a soul full of time. From the wood to the flame, he don't ask why. It's just how he lives, he's the hobby guy. He don't sell no dreams, he just makes them real. Let us burn in slow like a crawfish boil meal. Avec un cœur créole and eyes that see the art in every grain, every old oak tree, etching the bio, slow and true, with blues in the air and that Cajun hue. One click at a time, the sparks fly high. He's a craftsman born, that hobby guy.
They say you can tell a man by his hands. His are steady, and his work, it stands. When the sun goes down and the night birds cry, you might still see a glow in his workshop sky. He ain't just making signs, he's making a name with fire and patience and a good man's aim. Etched in the bayou, soft and strong, where every cut's a verse in a lifelong song. So if you pass by, just tip your hat high. You've seen a true artist, the hobby guy.